Question 22, have a go at this simultaneous equation. Okay, so a fairly straightforward simultaneous equation question. What we need to do is have the same number of x's or the same number of y's. Now I'm going to choose to line up the x's. So how am I going to do that? I've got 3 x's here, 4 x's here. If I times the top one by 4 and the bottom one by 3, I will get 12 x's in each. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'm taking my first equation and timesing it by 4, and my second equation and timesing it by 3. Now when I times it by 4, remember each term, each of the 3 terms has to be timed by 4. So 4 lots of this, 4 lots of this, 4 lots of this. That gives me this, and same with the second one. I'm going to times each of these 3 terms by 3. So I get 12x plus 15y equals 51. Right, I'm now in a position to eliminate my x's. Now because it's a positive 12x and a positive 12x here, to cancel them out, I'm going to have to choose to take away the equations from each other. Now I'm actually going to put the equation 4 on top, because by taking this 3 away from 4, I'm going to get some easier numbers elsewhere. So I've basically, here's my fourth equation, here's my third equation, I'm taking them away, so 12x take away 12x is nothing, as I expected. 15y take away 8y is 7y, that's why I put the fourth one on top, to get a positive 7y. And 51 take away 16 is 35. So I have eliminated x. I've now got an equation which is just y's and numbers. 7y equals 35, 7 watts are 35, 7 fives are 35, so y is 5. Y is 5. Now to work out what x is, I'm going to substitute my newfound knowledge that y is 5 back into one of these two equations. It doesn't matter which, but I'm going to use the top one because I think it's slightly easier. So I've done this down here in red. So there's my first equation. I now know that y is 5, so I'm going to replace the y with a 5, 2 5s being 10. So I've got 3x plus 10 equals 4. Undo the adding 10 by taking away 10 from both sides, so 3x equals minus 6. Divide through by 3 to undo this timesing by 3, so x is minus 6 over 3, which is minus 2. So my final solution, x is minus 2, y is 5.